Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Montego Bay, Jamaica. Now we are going to talk about some mega developments that the government has for this area. The hip strip. We're going to focus on the hip strip and we're driving towards the hip strip now. Now the hip strip is actually Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. The road was recently renamed to honor the reggae singer. And it has a lot of hotels on it and a lot of restaurants. Margaritaville is there. A lot. It's basically a tourist area. So we're going to turn on to the hip strip. Now we're going to turn left and drive on it. So as you know, tourism is a big part of Montego Bay. And the government has a lot of plans to upgrade this area. At the end of the hip strip is Harmony Beach Park, and the government spent billions to upgrade that park. Very nicely done, I must say. And you also have Harbor City, a $1 billion mall that's being built. I think I don't remember the exact price, but mega development. So a lot is going on in this area. So we're going to go through an article that gives an update as to the government's plans. And a lot of hotels are on this strip, and some are being renovated, some were old and being modernized, some were closed and they're being refurbished. Alright, so we're going to go through the article to give more information on the government's plan for the area. The government has budgeted 1.2 billion to undertake comprehensive upgrading of the popular Montego Bay hip strip located along Jimmy Cliff Boulevard in the resort town. Tourism Minister Honorable Edmund Bartlett says the sum includes 150 million earmarked to commence preliminary work on the project. Mr. Bartlett said the proposed hip strip development includes physical improvements, new product development, and substantial operations, heavy streetscaping, and possible pedestrianizing of the area after rescoping of the transportation and road networks. Additionally, he said the work will include creating thematic facades and developing an entertainment park spanning the stretch from the Harmony Beach Park to the popular Dead End Beach on Kent Avenue. Mr. Bartlett further advised that the program renovations will be complemented by the proposed construction of a 13-story mixed-use facility along the strip by a local developer that is intended to accommodate hotels, residences, and entertainment activities. He added that this development will push the value of the investments in that area to approximately 7.9 billion. Meanwhile, the ministry will be partnering with the Urban Development Corporation to build out a promenade from the cruise terminal in Montego Bay Freeport along the seafront, incorporating Catherine Hall, linking that with Harmony Beach Park and culminating at the hip strip. Mr. Bartlett, who advised that this proposed development will be taken to the House of Representatives shortly, said it is envisioned that the stretch will have areas for entertainment, shopping, access to craft development and artisan activities, and facilitate a fisher folk village, adding that we will have, for the first time, a complete tourism experience. So when you walk through the area, it will be pedestrian friendly and will enable visitors and Jamaicans to interact freely. It's going to be a transformation like we have never seen before, he noted. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. Now that promenade sounds really, really nice. So hopefully they get it started very soon. Now where the video started and we turned left onto when we turned left onto the hip strip, if we had turned right, that is Kent Avenue. So the promenade would go all the way up the hip strip up to Kent Avenue, and that's definitely a mega development for Montego Bay. But Montego Bay is a tourist capital of Jamaica. The Sangster International Airport is there, and Jamaica is on track to bring in 5 million tourists a year. So everything that can be done to enhance the tourism product in Montego Bay should be done. And I think the name of that building, the 13-story building that they were talking about, I think it's the Montego Bay Vista. I'm not 100% sure. Guys, if you can remember the name of the building that's going to be built on the hip strip, let me know. Leave a comment in the section below. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And let us know what you think about these developments. Some major, mega developments they're talking about. Leave your comments about it in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.